We are the Butterfly Girls.
Yes.
And today we're gonna play Eating in Jollibee. Eating in Jollibee.
And then wait for me. Hold on the video for
No.
Hey guys.
Are you there?
And what is this necklace again?
The first one, yeah. Are you there now?
Hello girl. Hello girl.
Hello, girl. Okay, so anyways, let's enter now.
Yes, I know. No.
Why am I so laggy?
Okay, hi Jollibee.
Wait, let's take a screenshot with Jollibee first. Okay, go.
Hey guys.
Okay, now we are done taking a screenie, so... Okay, let's order.
I'm here.
I'm so laggy. Why am I so laggy?
Hello sir. You want chicken? No flies. What you want? A dish?
I'm gonna buy them myself, okay? Okay, now I'm going to buy a bacon, cheesy hamburger, normal,
Ice cream.
and a spicy. Okay. For the steak. Ow. Tomato and cheese. Okay, peach mango pie. Tuna pie.
My sister. Hello.
Okay, large fries. And please book pandan. Oh, I can. Okay.
Okay.
Okay po, I like. Okay, let's sit here. Never mind. Here. Oh my gosh. Let's sit here.
Yeah, we'll see. It's mine. Oh no, I'm not done this.
Oh, okay. It's done. Then, okay. Okay, now I'm going to put it here. My spicy chicken. Yeah. My burger. Here. Chicken. Peach mango pie.
And I want this one to put my name.
And my large fries. Okay. But I'm a big back. But I'm a big back. I'll eat all of my rice first. Yeah, it's a baby. Yeah.
Not too much. I'm how what my
Just
where am I put this?
maybe just sit another.
No.
Okay, I guess I'm done now. Why am I Why am I gonna feed you?
No, me. I'm feeding that out.
No, I don't need feed. Good day.
Hey, get over here. Hello, what do you want? Don't sit with me. Don't stick to me.
Is this mine? No. I forgot my spicy chicken, but I'll just eat my burger first.
You can left, I say.
Well, I'm a big buck. What am I supposed to do?
I'm not a big bug, you're a big bug.
Yeah, I'm a big buck. Not
And I'm
you.
all this.
No?
Hungry.
Oh, we can still eat.
This is for
Wonderful.
it's so yummy, right?
Yeah. Of course, it's yummy. But my chicken joy is so spicy.
As I eat my rice sauce and the morning.
Oh wait, me too. Okay, I would like to eat my ube. Never mind. I'll just eat here my no. Um, Never mind. Oh, it's too far. I'll just try and. Am I really that big back?
I eat your pig.
Okay, ga.
They're not pig.
Thank you. Okay na po.
Get out to my eat. Right there is good family. It's so yummy, right?
Mm-hmm.
And I get out.
Boy, did you put your foot there kasi?
So yummy. Right?
Yeah. What? Why can't I get them? Why can't I get these guys? Just abandon. I abandon my chair. Goodbye. I'll buy another thing. Now I'll just I'll just buy like
And I'm done. And then let's go, right?
order so much ice cream.
Finally, I tried it with jollibee.
Jollibee.
Hello, it's
Why is my order taking so long? Why is my order taking so long? Aha, finally my bantan pandan. Tara merienda.
Hello there. I want the Coca-Cola is some best.
Coca-Cola is the best. Coca-Cola is the best. Unicorn. I have one. Unicorn. I have one. Unicorn. I have one. A unicorn. I have one. I'm the girl with so much ice cream. My ice creams. Now how to eat this? How to eat? Guys, can you? Oh. Wait. Ah. Okay, now I get it. But then I'll just like join the group and so I can go upstairs. So like wait. Three little birds sat on a window. Oh wait, yeah. I forgot. I thought I was making three little birds sat on a window. And they told me I don't do it. No, I don't know. I just joined the Tara Merienda. Okay, join me again. Little bird. Dr. Handle and the handle. Now I'm
Let's go
starting.
up, right?
Yeah. Now I will have a birthday at jollibee.
Let's go, Bestie. It's your birthday today, right?
Yeah, it's my birthday. So let's go. Hey, what are you doing? Why are you standing there? I joined the group. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. Let's just do our outro here. I'll do the outro here. Bye bye guys. And again, bye bye guys. Like and subscribe to our channel. And always remember, we are the Butterfly Girls.